Today there's a problem in the mountain. We got a problem with our water. Village team together, we go and sort it out. Let's go up and have a look and see what's happening.
About giving your heart away is hoping love will never die. Ways. And sometimes you just can't keep love alive, but I've tried and I've tried. But I just can't drink you off my mind since you left me.
Well, as you can see, everyone's turned up in numbers. It's the way they do it. There's a problem, get together, everyone chips in, does their bit. A couple of dollars each for the bits and pieces, but the labour is all for free because it affects everybody. So anyway, we'll have a look and see what's going on up in there. I'm here in a supervisory capacity, of course.
Mai,นี่มันของมันไปลงเองเฉยๆเนี่ยซึ่งมันมีข้องไอ้น้อยเส้นเดียวเราก็ไปเสียเองเดี๋ยวเทียบว่าอันข้องแม่มันนั่นแหละแม่ก็บอกแบบนี้ในความคิดคนมา
See, this was one of the water courses here. You can see, but they went and dumped all that crap on it. That was the end of it. This is the fill they've thrown over the side. This is what's causing our water an issue. They've literally filled the valley, which is covering up a lot of the bloody water holes.
mà thấy mình ô tôi chụp lướt đi của đấy vềเปิดทางเข้าไปอีกมาทางเดียว ไปถัดคงเลย lúc đấy đem cắt
Trying to get this water sorted out, but this is the team of guys that have been sorting all the water out, but you can see the colour of it back there. Overnight that'll settle, all of that, so yeah, that'll all settle down and we'll have clean water. You can see already this is clean over here now where they've started. Has a way of cleaning itself very quickly. Yesterday, it's the 20th, was 20th of January yesterday. 2022, they got the year wrong. This year is 2021, but never mind. I'm sure in 500 years time when future Thais come up here and discover this archaeological thing, they'll, 1 year won't make any difference. But don't forget it's Thai year 64, 2564 on the Thai calendar. So easy to get confused. He's just pointed out to them that the year's wrong. Now they're not happy. This apparently thought it was a bear or something, but it's just the villagers coming back. This dam here is going to service 8 houses further down in the valley, so that's including my house. So it's teamwork. They'll just chip in for the pipes and whatever. Always got to worry about being in the bush with people with machetes and things like that. You just never know. Behind me there, the green shirt, that's the village chief from my house that you've met on previous videos. It's clean pipe, new pipe they're running. Got their Burmese labour here, dragging that up into the hill now to the dam, get a whole new system going. This is day number 3 of the project. So down there, why they go so high up into the mountain. The further you come down, the dirtier the water is getting. Right up where that dam is right up at the source. So the water, once it settles, will be a lot cleaner. Anyway, that was it. They should be finished that project up there today. As I mentioned up there, the water will settle overnight. We'll probably get a little bit of dirty water will come down through for a short while, then it'll clean up again. Good morning. 7:30 in Ranong. We're just going to jump on the bike and go up and have a look and see what's going on with the water up there, see if the dam's filled up and if it's settled down yet. Long sleeves on today. It's only 21 degrees, 7:30, 21 degrees. That's very cold. Thailand, very cold. Let's go and have a look at this dam. Walk up in the scrub, have a look. All this red dirt is in here because of this major construction going on the mountain. Over time it'll all flush itself back out with a bit of luck. Water's nice and clean anyway. Rainy season, this is a raging torrent. You can't come up here. Okay. Definitely settled down. They've already opened up the water to the 8 houses. Big new pipe there, so that's why it's not filling to what it could be filling to. Anyway, good clean water straight out of the mountain.
Will I cry? Will I leave behind broken and crumbled signs, hiding all my roads to you? Uh-oh. And if I fight, will I come to life, calling for all your light?
Beautiful. We'd want to live in all this concrete and the big cities.
And I've been falling, I've been lost, and I've been calling on my ghost. I put it to rest because I'm coming home, coming home. Oh, I put it to rest because I'm coming home, coming home. Oh.
My house.
And I've been carried, I've been dragged, and I've been lucky, torn inside. I put it to rest because I'm coming home, coming home. I'm coming home.
Well, there you have it. Trip up to check on the water. A beautiful morning. Have a look at that. Maybe 21 degrees, but have a look at that. Hear a little bit of traffic in the distance, but mostly birds you can hear. Crickets and dogs, of course. There's our water coming from the mountain.